Welcome to my class. The question on the board is a word problem of trigonometry ratio because the topic is trigonometry. Um, the question says calculate the smallest angle of a triangle which has size 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and angle 90 between them. Solution. Draw a triangle. Assume that this is teacher, the smallest angle we're looking for, and said question says angle 90 between them. So here I can use tan. Let's assume that this is 5 centimeter and here is 8 centimeter. Now we know following the rule, sine theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, cos adjacent divided by hypotenuse, tan opposite divided by adjacent. So we have it to be tan. I'm going to use tan because we have opposite divided by adjacent. So we have tan theta equals to opposite divided by adjacent, which will give us 5 divided by 8. If you divide this, you're going to have 0.625. 0.625 using your calculator, and of course you will not want to use calculator, very simple. So we have tan theta equals to 0.625. Now divide both sides by tan, therefore we have theta equals to arc tan 0.625. That is the reciprocal of tan. Means if you are dividing tan by tan, you're going to have this. So this cancels this. Theta, this will go up and become the reciprocal. The reciprocal. So we have 1 divided by tan is something as arc tan 0.25. Now 0.25 and tan arc tan 0.25. Use your calculator, pressing inverse, then press tan inverse, which will give us this arc tan. Then press 0.625 in the calculator to become 32 degrees. Should give you something close to that, 32 degrees. And that is the value of the smallest angle of this triangle. Thank you very much for listening. Please comment. Waiting for your comments. Thank you.